Welcome, future addiction counselors. Get ready for an exciting journey as we explore the thrilling world where science meets drug addiction. Prepare to be amazed by the astonishing discoveries and innovative treatments that have revolutionized this field. I am Javier, the AI assistant who will be your host for this collaborate presentation in week 7. Let's discuss the unmasking of addiction. Science has boldly challenged the misconceptions and stigma surrounding addiction, revealing the truth about this complex brain disorder. Unmasking addiction involves examining the psychological, biological, and social factors that contribute to addictive behaviors. This process includes identifying psychological triggers like anxiety or trauma, understanding biological influences such as genetic predispositions and changes in brain chemistry, and considering social aspects like family dynamics and peer pressure. Effective treatment typically combines medical interventions, behavioral therapies, and support systems, while also addressing the stigma surrounding addiction to improve public awareness and treatment outcomes. This holistic approach not only targets the addiction itself, but also the overall well-being of the individual. Now we are going to focus on the chemical symphony that is associated with addiction that goes on inside the human brain. Step into the mesmerizing world of the chemical symphony inside our brains. Through groundbreaking research, science has unraveled the secrets of addiction's grip, deciphering the profound effects of drugs on our brain's reward system. The chemical symphony of addiction involves a complex interplay of brain chemistry and function, primarily centered around dopamine, the key neurotransmitter linked to the brain's reward system. Substances and behaviors that trigger excessive dopamine release, such as drugs or gambling, lead to an intense sense of pleasure, reinforcing the addictive behavior. Over time, the brain adapts by altering neurotransmitter receptors and other systems, leading to tolerance and dependence. Other affected areas include the prefrontal cortex, which impairs decision-making and impulse control, and additional neurotransmitters like endorphins and norepinephrine, further complicating the addiction cycle. Understanding these processes is crucial for developing effective treatments that restore neurochemical balance and aid recovery. Now we are going to focus on the warriors for treatment, these individuals who help individuals to regain their lives and achieve recovery each day. Warriors of change, behold the arsenal of evidence-based treatments forged by science. Cognitive behavioral therapy, medication-assisted treatment, and an array of other cutting-edge techniques stand ready to combat addiction and empower individuals on their path to recovery. Now we are going to focus on the concept or idea of rewiring the brain. Prepare to have your mind blown as we witness the astonishing ability of the brain to rewire and adapt. Science has revealed the intricate neural pathways affected by addiction, shedding light on the mechanism behind this intricate dance. Rewiring the brain in addiction recovery leverages neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections. Treatment approaches like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, help change harmful thinking and behavior patterns. Practices such as mindfulness and meditation enhance awareness and reduce dependency on addictive behaviors while maintaining a consistent routine with healthy habits like exercise, good nutrition, and sleep strengthens new pathways. Medication-assisted treatment, MAT, can normalize brain chemistry, supporting this rewiring process. Additionally, engaging in new learning activities and fostering supportive social connections can accelerate the development of healthier neural circuits, crucial for long-term recovery. Now let us focus on concepts such as capturing the invisible as it relates to. Enter the realm of visual wizardry. With advanced brain imaging techniques like MRI and PET scans, we can now capture the invisible battle within the brain, capturing the gripping impact of addiction with astonishing clarity. Additionally, it also encompasses the following. Capturing the invisible in addiction treatment involves identifying and addressing the hidden psychological, emotional, and environmental triggers that sustain addictive behaviors. This approach includes uncovering underlying issues such as emotional pain, past trauma, and subconscious stressors through therapy, diagnosing and treating co-occurring mental health conditions, and considering the impact of social and environmental factors. Additionally, it encompasses understanding genetic predispositions and neurochemical imbalances that are not immediately apparent. By revealing and treating these often invisible aspects, Therapy can be more targeted and effective, supporting a comprehensive recovery process. What is meant by the pharmacological revolution? The pharmacological revolution in addiction treatment has significantly advanced the management of substance use disorders through the use of medication-assisted treatment, MAT. MAT integrates medications with counseling and behavioral therapies to target the neurological roots of addiction, offering medications like methadone and buprenorphine for opioids, and disulfiram and naltrexone for alcohol dependency. These medications help normalize brain chemistry, reduce cravings, and block the euphoric effects of substances. Despite their effectiveness, challenges such as stigma and regulatory barriers persist, though ongoing research and potential developments in personalized medicine are poised to enhance treatment, efficacy, and accessibility, paving the way for more personalized and effective recovery strategies. Now let's consider the idea of decoding the blueprint. Journey to the heart of our existence as we unlock the genetic code behind addiction. Science has unveiled the critical role genetics play, uncovering the genes that may heighten vulnerability to substance use disorders. Decoding the blueprint of addiction involves a comprehensive understanding of the biological, psychological, and social factors that contribute to addictive behaviors. Biologically, it entails examining genetic predispositions and neurochemical processes like dopamine regulation that underpin addiction. Psychologically, it focuses on the cognitive and emotional triggers, such as stress responses and coping mechanisms that sustain addiction. Socially, it includes analyzing influences from family, peers, and socioeconomic factors. Integrating these insights allows for the development of tailored treatment approaches, combining pharmacotherapy, psychotherapy, and social support to address the multifaceted nature of addiction and enhance recovery outcomes. Now let us focus on nurturing resilience. Amidst the chaos, don't forget the profound impact of our environment on addiction. Science has illuminated the importance of nurturing resilience, acknowledging the role of adversity, social influences, and socioeconomic factors in shaping the path of addiction. Nurturing resilience is vital in addiction recovery as it enhances relapse prevention, emotional regulation, and adaptability, allowing individuals to handle recovery challenges and life changes more effectively. Resilient individuals are better equipped to manage stress without resorting to substances, maintain improved mental health, and foster strong support networks. This empowerment and self-efficacy lead to long-term wellness and a higher quality of life. Building resilience involves therapeutic strategies, support groups, and healthy coping mechanisms that support both immediate recovery and sustainable, substance-free living. What are the guardians of prevention? RISE, Guardians of Prevention and Education. Science-based programs and education are our tools to defy the grasp of addiction. Let us empower individuals through knowledge, targeting high-risk populations and illuminating the path to a brighter, drug-free future. Now let's focus on embracing wholeness. Embrace the power of wholeness as we venture into complementary approaches that nurture mind, body, and spirit. Science and ancient wisdom unite as yoga, mindfulness, art therapy, and other holistic techniques bolster the journey of recovery. Embracing wholeness involves acknowledging and integrating all aspects of oneself: physical, mental, emotional, spiritual, social, and environmental, to achieve a balanced and fulfilled life. This holistic approach includes caring for the body with proper nutrition and exercise, stimulating the mind, managing and expressing emotions healthily, connecting with a deeper sense of purpose, maintaining meaningful relationships, and harmonizing with one's environment. By striving for balance among these interconnected facets, one promotes comprehensive wellness and a more authentic, fulfilling existence. Let the heroic journey begin. As the hero of this story, you are poised to embark on a heroic journey as future addiction counselors. Armed with scientific knowledge and compassion, you will provide unwavering support, implement evidence-based therapies, and guide individuals towards the oasis of recovery. Scene 13, Agents of Change. Rise, Agents of Change. Armed with the power of knowledge and fueled by compassion, addiction counselors can collaborate with researchers, advocate for policy change, and ultimately create a society where compassion and effective treatment prevail. In conclusion, you have the ability from what you have learned in this presentation to make a difference as future counselors, social workers, psychologists, and behavioral professionals. So please remember to make your mark and change lives for the better. Thank you for joining us today.